Understanding the phrase, old business, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, old business. This phrase can be a bit tricky for non-native speakers, so we're going to break it down and understand its usage in various contexts. Old business refers to topics, issues, or discussions that were previously introduced but not resolved or completed. It's often used in formal meetings, discussions, or gatherings where continuity of topics is important. Think of it as revisiting unfinished tasks or conversations from the past. In formal settings like corporate meetings or official gatherings, old business is a standard agenda item. It allows participants to revisit and potentially resolve issues that were discussed in previous meetings but left unresolved. This section ensures that important topics don't get forgotten over time. Outside formal meetings, old business can also be used in everyday conversations. For example, when friends meet up after a long time, they might use this phrase to refer to unresolved topics or ongoing discussions they had during their last meeting. It's a way to pick up the conversation where they left off. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. Before we discuss new projects, let's address the old business from last week's meeting. 2. It's great to see you again. Shall we start with the old business about our summer trip planning? These examples show how old business can be seamlessly integrated into both formal and informal English. Understanding phrases like old business is key to mastering English, especially in professional settings. We hope this video has shed light on how and when to use this phrase effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.